Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the Hitani I Fix, I Destroy, and Neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Oh, Lamzizi.
Hello, Lulu. Ungovele lo.
What's wrong?
Original.
Why would it be fake?
No, I'm asking. Why do you have to be defensive?
Hi, guys. How are you? Guys, I'm Lisa and I'm from a show called CMTV, okay? It's on YouTube and we just basically do couples quizzes. Would you be up for a quiz as a couple?
Yeah.
You fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Come close. Girl, why are you hesitant when your man is willing? On my right, please. Name?
Kido.
Kido and?
Ayana,
Ayana. Ayana, how long have you been with Kido?
for 6 months.
6 months. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it that you like about Ayan?
Ayana like umuntu ophansi yabo. Umuntu osithandela ukuya esontweni. Nje vethu ya like vethu we've been with abantu abamabhedi nani so but into engithandile kuyena yabo ukuthi umuntu ejulelayo uhambela isonto. Nje umuntu ophansi nje ya into engithande kakhulu ngaye plus umuntu oyifundelayo in future engathi
Bright. Okay, nice. Where did you meet though? You didn't meet at church?
No.
Because you don't go to church.
Yeah.
Kiddo? What is that?
We met at Verts Arts Museum.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah. Okay, Ayana, what is it that you like about Kiddo?
Ngathi nje uright yabo, like we are both artists, so siku industry yodwa. Alright.
Alrighty. Can you list a few things, girl, that you like about your man?
Hey, I don't know, shorty, darky, got tattoos, yabo, that artistic thing.
Oh, that's nice. So he's your type.
Yeah.
Okay, girl. But you're a bit hesitant when it comes to coming here and just doing this quiz. You don't want to be seen with your man.
No, maybe it's because unamahloni.
She's shy, and she's an artist.
Like I said, yeah, man. When she's on stage, she just.
I understand. Don't worry, me too.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I'm very shy. Even though, you know, when I'm on camera, I have to. I don't have a choice.
Okay.
I have to bring on Sasha Fierce.
Yeah.
Do you get me?
Yeah, I get you.
So, girl, don't worry. I get you. On a scale of 1 to 10, Kiddo, how much do you trust Ayana?
I would say, no, 8.
8.
Yeah.
Leaving 2 for disappointment.
Yeah, I need to leave that room, because there's no one who's perfect.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayana, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust Kiddo?
I can say 9.
9. Damn, 9. You must be doing something right for a woman to give you a 9. Okay. I'm going to get straight to the point, okay? What we basically do on this show, we make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. We're checking whether or not you're cheating on each other. We're testing your loyalty, basically.
Okay.
Okay. You seem to like that.
Now let's go. Let's do it.
Okay. Ayana? You're not as enthusiastic? What does that mean?
No, like we can.
You can switch?
Yeah, we can switch.
Okay. It looks like you want to switch just because he's so enthusiastic about it. But had it been up to you, would you want to switch?
Yes.
You would? Are you sure? Okay, guys, take out your cell phones.
Cell phones.
Yes.
Is off.
Your phone is off?
Yeah.
Kiddo, is your phone off?
It's not off.
It Please.
I just called you manje sohlangana. Come on, vet.
It's off. Like
It's not off.
Can you show us?
Show us. What's that?
Is it off? And I don't even know.
It's on.
Ah! Kiddo, let's start with yours. Ayana, you make me nervous. Open it, Scott. Okay, thank you. Okay, here you go. Go to his WhatsApp, ne? Okay, search, type love you.
okay. It's
Yeah.
only me.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, nakhona kuvela mina.
Okay, delete that. Type babe. Kiddo, you're doing well for now.
Baby. It's me.
Yeah. Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. You never know. We have pregnancy scares as women.
No.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill. I'm sorry, guys.
Come on.
Okay. Okay. So it's you. At least you guys are careful. Delete that. Type last night. Okay. Okay, nice. Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching.
Outside.
Investigation.
Nice. We don't have a choice. Delete. Type thank you. Let's see who is doing favors.
Just thank you. Come on.
I think it's the family.
Okay, you think? Are you
Yeah, it is the family.
Okay, delete that. Type bank details or just type bank. Okay.
No one suspicious.
Okay. Okay, give your man back his phone. You clean. You're squeaky clean. Ayana. Hey. Ntombazana ndini.
Ayana, vula phone.
Hey, I'm nervous, yes. Thank you. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay. Type love you. What are you seeing there?
Ngibona mina.
Okay.
Umami ya umamakhe.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Miss you. Yeah.
Hello.
Ngibona mina.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Babe.
Ayana sibona izinto apha.
Ubani usibu Ayana?
Go into the conversation.
Awumazi kanjani usibu mfethu ekholela efonini yakho umbiza ngobay?
Anginazi ya.
Go in. You, Ayana man. Ayana.
Umsendela nezithombe.
No, not me.
Huh?
It's you, Ayana.
It's not you.
Maybe it's AI. Yabo.
Wow.
So wenza ithombe nge-AI bese uyisendela usibu.
No.
Ayana. Mungibheke ukukhuluma nami, wena mase ukhuluma nami songibheki manje. Ayana. Angazi ngakubeka isandla musu fethu, angazi ngambeka isandla, ngicela ukukhuluma naye kahle. Ngicela ukumbona fethu. Ayana.
Dlamini suka.
Ayana.
Suka Dlamini.
Ayana. Ngikuthembe kanje mfethu uzobiza abanye abantu ngoBay. Usibu umbiza ngoBay.
Yini phone yakho?
Usibu?
I've gotten his number. Let's call him. Do you want to call him, kiddo?
Please, ngicela umfonele. Uthi ubani usibu before simfone uyamphika.
Maybe classmate yam or something.
Maybe. Kanti bangaki lapho sibu mfethu?
That you've sent pictures to, sexy pictures to.
Mfethu.
Hi, can I please speak to Sbu?
Usibu. Uyamazi Ayana intombi yami wena?
Angizwanga kahle Ayana wenzani?
Ayana intombi yami uyamazi?
Musutshela ukuthi intombi yakho uzoyazi kanjani ngoba Ayana baningi. Inowami mina ngisho nawe nowami.
Unowakho Ayana nayi indoda yakho ozokhuluma uyakuphika Ayana uyakuphika manje uthi akasakwazi kodwa khuluma ozokhuluma.
Yo.
Khuluma.
Hello. Hello.
Sendo sami uyaphila kanti uwe. Sendo sami.
Go vale phone mfethu. Go vale phone. Ayana. Okay, singehlisa umoya.
Okay.
Singehlisa umoya. Asambe Ayana.
Samba siyaka.
Siyahamba kodwa sihamba vele. Cela nisekeni bafethu sihambe. Ish, Nkosi yami.
Awuzombetha.
Angeke ngize ngimshaya. Asambe nje ngifuna asambe. Asambe.
No, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Why not?
Not going anywhere.
Why, okay, why did you cheat, Ayana? We called this Sbu, obviously. Yes, is your
calm
man.
down.
Why are you cheating on kiddo? What's missing?
Ubroki.
Ooh.
Ana ma like akangibeji and yabo nje like.
Usbu uyabheja yena. Usbu uyabheja.
Yeah.
Ufuna imali.
Uzoyithini imali Ayana? Usesikolweni.
Uyafunda Ayana, ufundela ukuthi ube right. You're a girl.
Yeah.
Ubufebe lobo. Angikubizanga ngesifebe, kodwa ubufebe lento oyishoyo.
Hayi wena kusho ukuthi.
Ukhuluma ubufebe, wenza ubufebe. Ngikuthembe kanje. Kanti ubuJesu. Kwenzakaleni kuJesu?
Usesontweni.
Yazi ngihlezi ngishunyayezwa ngoJesu every night lo muntu engathi
Is some angel. Uyela kwibed kiddo, yabo? There's no difference.
ngibuyele kwibed.
No,
Yazi ngiyacabanga ukuthi
no.
mhlawumbe khona into esingayixoxa mina naye.
Okay.
Yabo.
Wait, Ayana, you're the one that cheated first of all.
Ngiyakili naye. Sacela nje ukuthi ngaphandle kwamakhamera nama mic yabo ngikwazi ukuthi
Okay, fine.
ndaba sami.
Kaloku kiddo, don't grab her like that.
I'm not grabbing her.
You are. Ayana, please leave. For your safety.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere with you, dude. Like, thank you, Tonton TV, whatever, because I was just gonna break up with him anyway.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry, we apologize, kiddo. Siyaxolisa. So you're also grabbing me?
Nicely.
Hey. Yabona nje mina ufuna imali Ayana kuthiwa ubufebe. Yabona ndisisifebe nami. Ndivese ndacinga mna. Bandimi moslo udescribe whatever. I felt some type of way. It hit me hard.
It hit a nerve.
Yeah.
Askis.
It did.
Askis.
I felt some type of way when he said that.
Askis mina. But ke nani indlela eniphandela ngayo leyo. We're not gonna judge you, but
I don't panda like that.
how do you panda?
CMTV and my other job.
Yes. And then
No. Especially now that I'm single, there's no man sending me money. Uzoyisenda la nto.
ngoba kekho.
And no, not that akekho khona.
Ukhona.
Amadoda.
Ngoba kekho sempilweni yakho manje.
Oh, but there are men in my life that could send me money.
Yes, but akuna boyfriend okwamanje.
Yes.
Yeah, so
But xa ikhona mayikayisende
lento engishoyo ukuthi that's gold digging.
with dignity. Oh, Davidi, I'm so tired of you. Oh,
Uthi uba for uphi uJesu?
what was this on 20? But she's not lying.
Oh hey. Why senza ama conversation wasithe ngeswenze?
True. It's an absolute wrap from us CMTV viewers. My name is Lisa Serame.
Instagram welcome_Dlamini, it's ababili, TikTok it's welcome Dlamini, Facebook welcome Dlamini. Oh my god.
Bye-bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram. Ndombi Yasebebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.